Today at Battery Guys Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2005 Toyota Sienna. To begin this project, you would need a 10mm socket with a long extension to take off the battery breaker. Just turn the wrist clockwise until you feel that screw loosen up and that bar is right on the hood of the van itself. Okay, proceed to take off the other part of the bracket itself. Next step, you use your 10mm socket to disconnect the negative terminal off the post itself. Proceed to take off the positive terminal as well. Use your 10mm wrench or socket and turn clockwise until you feel that bolt loosen up. Okay, now you're easy to freely remove the battery out of the vehicle itself. If this is your first time visiting Battery Guys Nation, and we're adding added value today for this battery install, we ask for one question. Just give us a thumbs up. This helps the algorithm to be pushed into the YouTube channel to help other people as well to learn how to install their battery into their vehicle. We're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2005 Toyota Sienna. We're going to connect the positive terminal first. Use your 10mm socket and tighten that bolt down as well. And let's connect your negative terminal as well. It's also known as the ground. And use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up that bolt. In the future, if you need for a battery for this vehicle or any other vehicle you might have, jump over to our website at batteryguyswithaz.com and get yourself the world's best reconditioned battery delivered to your house or business half the price. We offer it to a 2-year warranty on all our batteries as well, and it's not prorated as well. So what we're doing now, we're installing the battery bracket back onto this battery here in this vehicle. Just get it started with your fingers first to get that screw started, and then find your bolt itself. Then you'll be able to connect the bolt to the hood as well for the bracket itself. You want to think about also too subscribing to the channel as well, because not only do we do car installs, we also show you behind the scenes of recycling and reconditioned battery as well. So you're looking for a business opportunity, a career change, look into our Battery Guys franchise system that will show you exactly how you can get started in your city or state, how to get started into selling the world's best reconditioned battery, and also to recycling battery as well too. Thank you for watching the channel. We definitely appreciate your support. If you have any comments, then leave the comments down below in the comment section below, and we'll definitely respond to your comments. Likewise, share the video, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.